All right, bro. So, James, tell me how long you've been in the program for Auto Clean Details Academy?
Uh, yeah, 6 months pretty much
About 6 months.
till today. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. So, I guess just tell me like what were you doing before you joined, and yeah, where were you at?
so like way before I joined, I was working in construction as an engineer. And then I had a bit of a career change. I ended up working like I always had a passion for cars and that sort of thing, and I detailed friends' cars and all that stuff. But it's kind of easy doing that because you got all the time in the world, and they're not paying you, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, I ended up working with another like small business detailer for about 12 months, 12, 18 months or so, which is
And you
great.
were just
But
working as like an employee for him type of thing?
yeah, just an employee. Yeah. So
Yeah.
I was like he had a shop set up, and so I'd do a few jobs there, or a few mobile jobs or whatever. And that was great to get my head around, like, I guess, actually doing the work itself. But yeah, eventually, what I knew, I always wanted to start my own business, and then that's, I guess, where AutoClean came in, because I had no idea where to start, like, at all, with creating a Google Business account or doing this or doing that. I had absolutely no clue. So
Yeah. So you were
um,
basically I
yeah,
mean, you had some detailing experience, but you had no business at all. Like nothing in terms of your own car detailing business.
correct. Yeah, yeah. No, I never like ran my own business or worked for myself. Um,
Yeah.
so yeah, I felt like I at least had a handle on the tool side of it, but yeah, no clue about any of the actual business side of things.
Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure. And right now, I mean, you just said in March just gone, you did your first $10,000 month.
Yeah,
Yeah. Over
yeah,
$10,000 actually, right?
yeah. It's 10.7, I think. Got there somehow. But yeah, it was
Dude,
a
that's
yeah.
amazing.
Thanks, Aaron. Yeah, no, I appreciate it. I like I was saying before, that my goal was to get there in the first 12 months, and got there after six. So yeah, pretty happy with it. And yeah, it's a lot of hard work that's kind of paying off. So yeah.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. What do you think like how like what do you think was the biggest impact for you over the last 6 months? Like what do you think was the biggest driver to help you to get to that level?
I think, like, to be honest, I think it was getting meta ads set up,
Yeah,
because that's another, like, black hole of no idea-ness in my
yeah,
head. And so to get that set up through you guys, and kind of at least get that up and running, and then I can kind of take control of it after that, once it's all been set up properly and you've taken me through everything.
yeah.
And yeah, because the lead generation for how much dollars you have to spend is honestly, like, crazy. Like, you could do nothing like this pre social media, like,
Yeah.
not even close. And yeah, like, and I'm now at the stage where, like, I've got more than enough leads. Like, I'm probably getting too many leads that I can't, like, follow them all up properly. So
Yeah, yeah. I mean, we were
yeah,
just talking about hiring your first employee. You hit over 10K working on your own. So not too many expenses realistically, right? Like what are the profit margins for March? Have you worked them out?
it's I haven't done it for March yet, because I'm just I was actually just working on it before this call. But yeah,
Yeah.
it's like, generally the expenses are about, like, 15% of
Yeah.
my sort of revenue, around
Yeah.
there.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So pretty low, pretty low. But
yeah, yeah,
I think with an employee on the mix, then you will be able to get to 15, 20K a month. Yes, profit margins will come down slightly, but you just be able to scale the business.
yeah. That'll be the plan in for the next 6 months, I'd say. So yeah, it should be good.
Amazing, amazing. So the goal is to get to 10K a month within 12 months. You did it in 6 months. I think you can double that in the next 6 months.
Yeah, I wouldn't have thought that 6 months ago, but I
Yeah.
probably think that's possible now.
Yeah,
Yeah.
For sure, for sure. No, it's so cool to see, man. I love hearing these results, and you've been amazing to work with as well. What's it been like working with me?
Oh, great. Like, you get such a good selection of like guest speakers and things like that that you just like, I don't know where I'd go to have access to things like that that are more that's more like personal. Like we can ask them questions like you've had,
Yeah,
Ivan from DIY Detail on and like all these guys that, you've seen in the YouTube videos or on the podcast and you kind of think there's, I'll never get to talk to this guy.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah, so that's been great. And yeah, like even just our kind of weekly meetings, like we've gone on calls with you, and you'll say, "All right, I'll get some leads on the phone, and I'll take you through how I do it."
yeah.
And yeah, it's pretty clear that like you have a very high understanding or experience of the whole industry from your experiences, and yeah, it's like I said, it's like having a mentor basically. It's great.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's it for sure, man. It's hard to do anything in life without having someone, that has already done it, right? There's a yeah, like I mean, I feel like not even just with business, but within life, like you need to have a mentor, right? Like if you want to achieve something, then why not look at someone who's already done it and just copy what they're telling you to do, you know?
Yeah,
So, but yeah. All right, James. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for that.
yeah, all good. Thanks, Aaron.